Well, hello everyone. It's Gianni Bracco, the Angelic Soul Pilot, with you again. Thanks so much for joining me. All right, let's begin. Close your eyes, relax, make yourself comfortable. You can lay down if you want. Whatever is good for you. And start with holding that intention of relaxing. We're going to call in our highest spirit guides to join us at this time, knowing they're here to help us. Our ancestors, calling them in, those who've gone on before us, knowing they are here to help us as well. And calling in the Ascended Masters, those who are full of wisdom, who are to hear, to share, and enlighten us as well. And just take your time, getting comfortable with all these beautiful energies joining you, gathering around you, sensing and feeling their love and support and their wisdom, their knowledge, their light that they're sharing with you now. See yourself in a great big circle with all of these beautiful beings of wisdom and love and light gathered in your circle, forming a great big circle all the way around you. And feel their wisdom and their love and their light going around and around, infusing you even more every time with all of their love and light and wisdom and support and encouragement. And see this happening, this beautiful light, this beautiful energy going around and around, so smoothly, so quickly, so powerfully, filling you up more and more every time. Their combined energies filling you up more and more and more. See yourself getting stronger, more confident, more relaxed, more light-filled, aligning with all that you are and all you're made of. See those energies going around and around and around, pumping you up with empowering energies. Start to feel more renewed with every breath, with every circular movement of those energies going around and around, going through your mind and emotions, your body, your soul, filling you up. See your light body sparkling from head to toe, bring you deep healing and wisdom, inner knowings, inner truths being revealed to you now. And just let it all unfold, relaxing into it, knowing you are safe. Resting in it. Taking a look around you, giving gratitude for all your support system, your beautiful angelic guardians and angels and support guidance system, ancestors and ascended masters, all of them. Thanking them all, feeling their beautiful love and energies, and thanking them all. Thanking them as they thank you for taking this time to receive. Feeling the peace that you're made of. Feeling empowered, rejuvenated, exhilarated. Accepting that you are all-knowing, that you are all-wise just like them, that you are loving just like them, that you are light-filled just like them. Opening up to all of it now. Breathing that all in deeply and letting go of any doubt. Breathing all those beautiful energies in deeply again. Accepting them all and letting go of anything else. Letting go of whatever's not serving you anymore. And one more breath in. Accepting all these truths, all this wisdom and energy, loving light. And letting go of anything that weighs you down. Stabilizing your breath. Feeling more balanced, more confident and fully renewed. Thanking once again all your beautiful guides and angels, ancestors and ascended masters for being here. All the beautiful energies for being here. Thanking yourself for being here and for receiving. Taking your time coming back fully and slowly. Back to this time, back to this place. Taking all the time you need. Feeling pumped up, full of love and light. God bless you all. Shine your light.